Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up an LLC in New York. You can either do it yourself or hire a business formation service to do it for you. And of course, using a service would be much easier, but doing it by yourself is doable as well, even if you're totally new to this kind of legal paperwork. So in this video, I'll walk you through the whole formation process step by step, from start to finish. And you can decide for yourself if you want to try your hand at doing it yourself or if using a service is worth it for you. A quick heads up, I have put affiliate links in the description for everything we're covering. If you use them, I do earn a commission at no extra cost to you, which helps support the channel. But before we get into the process itself, let's quickly go over what an LLC actually is. LLC is an acronym that stands for Limited Liability Company. In simple terms, it's a type of legal business structure that helps protect your personal assets, things like your car, your house, or your personal savings. If anything ever goes south with the business itself, when you form an LLC, you're basically creating a separate legal entity for your business, which shields you from personal liability. So if your company ever runs into debt or gets into legal trouble for whatever reason, it won't affect your personal finances. On top of that, LLCs are super flexible. You can choose how you want to be taxed, whether you're running the business alone or with others, and if you have partners or investors, how the profits are shared. And that's pretty much why LLCs are a go-to choice for all kinds of business owners, from first-timers to those with a lot more experience. All right, now let's go over the first way to set up an LLC, which is by doing it yourself. Step one is choosing a name for your LLC. It needs to be unique and not already taken or too similar to another business. You can check name availability under the search tool on the New York Department of State website. A quick Google search can generally help with that too. Now, naming issues are actually one of the most common reasons that filings get rejected. So let's take a closer look at what New York State mandates in terms of naming. First, your business name must include Limited Liability Company or just LLC at the end. You also can't use words that make it sound like your business is part of a government agency, like FBI or Treasury or State Department. There are also some words that are restricted in New York. These usually include professional terms like doctor or lawyer and educational words like school or academy. You can use them, but you'll need to file extra paperwork or have the proper licenses. If you're unsure, the New York Department of State has a full list of restricted words that you can check before locking in your name. The next step is picking a registered agent. A registered agent is an individual or company that receives legal documents and official mail on behalf of your business. You or another member of the LLC who is a legal adult and resident of New York can be the registered agent, but keep in mind, whoever you choose needs to be available during normal business hours, and their address will be made public. If you don't appoint anyone, the New York Secretary of State will automatically act as your registered agent. After you have your name and registered agent in New York, the next step is filing your articles of organization. It's basically a form that asks for a few basic things: your LLC's name, business address, purpose, your registered agent's info, and the name of the person organizing the LLC. There is a $200 state filing fee, and you can submit the form online through the New York Department of State's website. Or you can do it by mail, fax, or in person at their office in Albany. Now, here is where New York is a little different and more challenging to deal with. Even after you file the articles of organization, your LLC isn't fully official yet. There's one more step. You need to complete something called a publication requirement. After you file, you'll need to publish a notice about your LLC in 2 newspapers, one daily and one weekly, for 6 weeks in a row. The papers must be based in the same county as your business address, and they have to be approved by the local county clerk. The notice is basically a short summary of your articles of organization. If you're not sure how to write it, Tailor Brands has a free guide on their website that can help. Once that's done, each newspaper will send you what's called an affidavit of publication. You'll submit both of those along with a certificate of publication and an additional $50 filing fee to the New York Department of State. Now, here's the thing. depending on the county, this publication step can get even more expensive. Take Manhattan, for example. It's one of the priciest places to publish. And here's a pro-level tip. This is where a registered agent can really help. If you choose a registered agent, whether an individual or a service, based in a less expensive county in New York, you can still operate your business in New York City while saving a lot of money on publication fees. And if you go for using a registered agent service, you also have the added benefit of keeping your personal address private, since it won't have to appear on any public state records. Next, you'll need to create an operating agreement. New York actually requires all LLCs to have one within 90 days of filing, but you don't need to send it to the state. It's just something you keep for your own records. The agreement should cover the basics, like who owns what each member's role is, how profits and losses are split, and what happens if there's a disagreement or if someone wants to leave the business. It should also include what to do if the LLC ever needs to be shut down. And since businesses can change over time, the document is often called a living agreement. This just means you can update it anytime to reflect any changes in how your LLC operates. Next up, you'll need an EIN, which stands for Employer Identification Number. Think of it like your business's version of a social security number. You'll need an EIN if you want to open a bank account, apply for a loan, hire employees, or even handle business taxes, so it's a pretty important step. The good news is that getting an EIN is totally free, and the process is simple. You can apply online or by mail directly through the IRS. Finally, you need to get your business ready to pay the necessary taxes. Because LLCs are considered pass-through entities, the business itself isn't responsible for reporting and paying taxes. That responsibility is passed on to the owner or owners, unless you choose to be taxed as a corporation or S-corp. So all taxable income from the business is then reported and paid through the owner's personal tax return. You'll also need to be prepared for self-employment, payroll taxes if you plan to have employees, and sales tax. Sales tax applies to the sale of physical goods and some services. As of right now, New York state tax rate is 4%, but many cities and counties add their own rates, which can bring the total all the way up to around 8% in some areas. How often you need to send in those tax payments to the state depends on how much you collect. It could be monthly, quarterly, or yearly. If you're unsure, the ny.tax.gov website has some helpful guides to walk you through it. Now, aside from taxes, you'll also need to file something called a biennial statement to keep your LLC active. This just means you need to check in with the state every 2 years. It's due by the end of your LLC's anniversary month, and you can take care of it online through New York's e-statement system for a $9 fee. If tackling all those steps on your own feels overwhelming, you're not alone. I know I did not have the time myself or the patience to deal with everything. And honestly, I don't want to risk messing something up. That's why I use Tailor Brands to set up my business. So if you're short on time, not sure how the paperwork works, or you just want to make life easier, using a business formation service like Tailor Brands might be the way to go. Personally, I think Tailor Brands is a great choice, especially if it's your first time starting a business, because they really make the whole process simple. But just so you know, there are other solid options out there. I've tried Zen Business, LegalZoom, and Swift filings. If you want to check out what we're covering today, we have affiliate links in the description. Using those earns us a commission at no extra cost to you, which really helps support the channel. So Tailor Brands is more than just an LLC formation service. They've built an AI-powered platform that gives hands-on support to small business owners, even after your business is up and running. They offer tools for building your website, for staying compliant, for managing your bookkeeping, and more. You can either grab individual services as you need them, or keep it simple with a yearly subscription that covers everything in one place. So now let's walk through how to apply for an LLC using Tailor Brands. The first step you need to do is to head over to the Tailor Brands website. You'll see a Choose Your State dropdown. Pick New York. Once that's done, click on Get Started. After that, just type in the name you've chosen for your LLC. Over the next few screens, you'll answer a cluster of pretty simple questions. Essentially, these questions help the platform understand your business so they can get an idea of what your business will need. Next, you'll be offered a few services to make running a business a little bit easier. Like they can get your EIN for you, set up an operating agreement, and be your LLC's registered agent. You can get compliance reminders and a branding toolkit as well, and you can upgrade to get expedited processing in case you're a procrastinator, like I am. Now, the last thing you'll need to choose is your plan with Tailor Brands. They've got 3 plans to choose from, ranging from semi-DIY to Tailor Brands doing it all, including access to their extensive marketing resources. Their plans really are tailored to every budget and need. Once your application is processed, Tailor Brands will submit your application to the state for you. So the process does not have to be stressful after all. When you let Tailor Brands handle it, you can feel confident everything's being done right, while you stay focused on actually building your business. And that's pretty much it. You can set up an LLC in New York either by doing it yourself or by using a business formation service to handle everything for you. At the end of the day, it really comes down to what works best for your situation. If you want to save time and you have a bit of a budget to work with, Tailor Brands is a solid option. Not only do they make the process easier, but they also help with extras like branding and marketing. But if you don't mind putting in the time and handling legal paperwork yourself, doing it on your own might be the better route. Plus, you'll save money that you could put towards something else. So that is a wrap for today. I hope this was helpful. If it was, feel free to give it a like and subscribe for more videos like this. And don't forget, you can find the affiliate links for what we covered right below this video. If you use them, we earn a commission at no extra cost to you, which really does help support the channel. Now, if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I love hearing from you, and I'll do my best to reply as soon as I can. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.